What is investing? Investing, from Investopedia, says the act of committing money or capital to an endeavor with an expectation of obtaining an additional income or profit. We're trying to put our money in a growth area for it to blossom. We want to plant those seeds to get that harvest. Let's get this money. What is a stock? A stock, according to Investopedia, great source, you better research Investopedia before touching a stock. A stock is a share in the ownership of a company. Stock represents a claim on the company's assets and earnings. As you acquire more stock, your ownership stake in the company becomes greater. So with that being said, are you complicated? Are you confused? Are you concerned? Because this is a little bit much. Can you explain? I got y'all. Don't worry about that. A stock is a share, so it is a piece of the pie. You literally own part of the company. At McDonald's, if I bought a McDonald's share right now, I own a percentage of the McDonald's. So let's say I buy the McDonald's share, and then this quarter we had a lot of people coming in. And the earnings report is an increase in revenue because a lot of people went to McDonald's, and now I'm going to benefit because more people are interested in buying McDonald's shares. I profit off of that, off of people buying more McDonald's daily. You can own any stock basically. You have the financial sector. You can own banks, restaurants, hotels, airlines. You can own auto insurance, health insurance, telecommunications, Disney. There are so many companies you can own. Like you are an investor. You own the world. As you acquire more stock, if you keep on getting on this ownership, your stake, your importance becomes greater. In simpler terms, I am company A, and the institutional ownership, we own 75%. However, you are very interested in the company and you want to buy 25% of our stock. Now, we sell stocks. That's the reason why companies sell stocks, is for them to be able to have an equity tool. They're able to sell the piece of their company for cash. They need cash to run the business. Also, there's more people interested in owning the business too. So it's a win.